everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and today's agenda is for the WAT PI round. What topics had appeared last year in the WAT PI of various top B schools after CAT 2017 and other management exams. So I'm going to provide you the exact things. The agenda is as follows: list of GDPI WAT topics of 2017, all real topics appeared in past 2 years, how to prepare for WAT PI, and the colleges covered are these: IIMs, SPJN, Excel, RI, MDI, IMT, TIS, FMS and IFT. Without wasting any further time, let's see what the topics were so that you can prepare for the upcoming WAT and PI accordingly and know what topics are looked for in IITs and IIMs and different colleges, and you can prepare accordingly. I am also going to suggest you how to prepare for certain topics. So let's get ahead, guys. Let's go. I am Ahmedabad. I am Calcutta. This is the important thing, and these are the tips you need to follow for your WAT PI preparation. So WAT topics can be as abstract as describe the color blue and pink to something more focused on current trends. So keep reading. Reading is the key. Read the news, latest trends, articles on India's growth stories. Keep reading Economic Times, Mint, Business Standards, Hindu, all the editorials. Okay, these are the most important points. And I'll also recommend you to buy Manorama Yearbook, the latest version of Manorama Yearbook, and know all the topics, because Manorama Yearbook covers everything that happened in the past year and last year. So please buy Manorama Yearbook. Then the round test and candidates language, articulation and content. So be careful about what you write. Write in mainly 3 paras: introduction, body and conclusion. Be crisp and think fast. Points to remember while writing an essay: collect ideas with concise yet vivid details. Organize the ideas, develop them, express and then review them. And so these are the topics, these are the tips for WAT and PI. These were the topics of various B schools. Prepare well. If you can join any coaching institute, do take the help of IMS or other institutes which are providing guidance for WAT-GD-PI. I wish you all the best. May you shine, because 50% of the journey is over and 50% is remaining. These things are in your control, so you're going to nail it. Give you 100%. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like, share and subscribe to All Sorted. Thank you so much, guys, and please comment below what you like.